Now, we are going to upload all the templates with different themes to Adobe Stock. Click Upload, open the template files, and drag them into Adobe Stock. Actually, I don't recommend uploading all files with different themes at once because it can make you confused when filling in the titles and tags. It can even lead to critical mistakes when trying to create the best keywords. I'm doing this only for the sake of the tutorial. What I recommend is to create as many videos as possible with one theme first. Then you can select them all at once and use the same title and tags. For example, today you upload all horror-themed videos. Tomorrow, you upload all YouTube Kids-themed videos, without mixing the themes like we are doing now. Now go to my keyworder, type "opening the door green screen." Select relevant tags, then click Export and copy all the tags. Go back to Adobe Stock, select all templates with the "Open the Door," choose the category, Graphics Resource, select the option, enter the title, "Open the Door Green Screen Template." Paste the keywords and click Save. For the horror theme, you can use the keywords from my portfolio that have already been sold. I have written the tags and titles in the description to make it easier for you to create relevant keywords. Those are all the CapCut techniques I use to create videos for Adobe Stock. Make sure to also read the description for optimization tips on tagging and keywords across all my tutorial videos. I've also included everything from Adobe Stock keywords to sourcing materials in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.